Hello everyone, welcome to Edcar DIY. In this video, we're going to install M Performance pedals on our project BMW M235i. So this is the unboxing of the pedals that I bought from Amazon. As you can see, the gas pedal looks so good. And the brake pedal, both of them look good, and they are made out of stainless steel and rubber. So these are the ones that I bought from Amazon. And this is the one we're going to install in this car today. Here we have to unhook the rubber sidings of the brake pedal. So make sure you just wiggle it and pull it out. Then now we're going to install our M Performance brake pedal. You have to make sure that all the rubber on the side are on the outside of the backing plate of the brake pedal. So you have to do this side by side until you get all four sides grabbing the edge of the metal brake pedal. It's gonna take some time, but you just have to keep on pulling the edges of the rubber until everything is sitting inside. It's a bit harder to pull the edge because as soon as I touch the other one becomes loose. So you just have to try to pull one by one until everything is inside. So I finally went to get a pry tool because the last edge on the bottom part of the brake pedal, it's hard to pull to make the metal go inside. So I finally did it. Everything's inside now. The brake pedal looks so good. Now we're gonna install the gas pedal. This is the easy one, because all you have to do is just slide it in. Start from the top, slide it in. Just make sure you tap it all the way down. Make sure all the sides are holding the plastic pedal. And that's it. So the two together look so good. Now it completes the M pedals. Well guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next time. Thank you.